Jimmy's Meal Repair, how can I help you? Sure we do. Oh boy. How long did you leave it in there for open? Uh-huh. And what size? So what size is it? It's not the small one, it's the big 12 ounce, huh? Well, we could recarbonate it, but that whole canning process is gonna cost you a pretty penny. If you thought about maybe just make it into a slushy or a icy or something like that. Uh-huh. Well, you don't need an ice crusher necessarily. You can just kind of crush it up yourself. Probably save you a lot of money. You betcha. Bye-bye now.